Welcome to the Black Gold Homestead. Today, Elijah ain't here, so I'm going to give you just a shed tour. Come into our shed. Welcome to the Black Gold Homestead. Let me give you a tour of our shed. So at the top of the shed, there is a homemade latch right up there. We can pull the board down, but I'm too short for it, so you just do this. Put your doors down and put the lock on. That's how I gotta do it since I'm too short. But let me open up these. Let me open up these doors for you and give you a shed tour. So we'll start off with this wall. This wall we have our tools like hose, rakes, pitchforks, ice breaking sticks. When it's winter, you just beat the ice like brushes, cans as well. This is our egg bucket can. We got some eggs in there. Our 1 cup scoop. And then feed, we store extra feed in here. This is a big bucket to haul around feed when we feed like 50 million animals at one time. We have more ice breaking sticks. This barrel is filled with corn. We have some extra stuff, rope, critter crossing. We have pretty much all these animals. We have turkey. We don't have a horse, but we have donkey. We have pig. We have sheep, chicken, rooster, bunny. We don't have a cow. But, so this stuff is for the animals like hoof hail, which works on chickens as well. Like this stuff, whatever that kind of stuff is, wasp killer. And in these big barrels, we have feed. Like rabbit feed and really mushed up food for the baby chicks.
High protein.
Yes. Sunflower seeds. And here it looks like we have some game bird starter feed. Out of that barrel into this barrel, we have oats and more high protein food mixed with layer pellets. We have scoops on this wall. Scoop, 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 scoop. Buckets. We put the food in here and walk around. And then, over here we have oyster shells. We give it to the chickens. This is our extra bucket of hay. We have some boards back here because you don't know when you might need to repair something on the farm. Homestead. Chicken coop doors to screw onto a chicken coop and you know it flaps up.
Extra trash bags.
Oh yeah, extra trash bags to go in the trash can. In this barrel we have, let me recall, chicken feed. We mix 4 things together for chicken feed. Sunflower seeds, oats, layers pellets, and I gotta recall this, corn. Right here we have wild bird seed, which has a ton of mix of stuff. And we have to put these latches up because the groundhog thieves will steal the food. Sometimes they'll like come in here and flip this up. But that is the shed tour. Am I missing anything? Oh! Up here we have diatomaceous earth in here. This kind of stuff. What are these? Oh, boats. This stuff for the goats, I think. Yup. goat minerals. But that is the shed tour, guys. I'll see, Elijah will see you, or I will, I don't know, in the next video on the Black Gold Homestead. Goodbye.